Good morning, all of you. This is Mr. PJ Titus. So today our topic will be future continuous. Future Okay, you know that it is very familiar. We have these four groups or part: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So whenever there is continuous, future continuous, so you might have thinking that what is the difference between future indefinite or future continuous? Okay, there is no too much difference. There is no too much different, but something is continuing and something is finished. Suppose I will go tomorrow Agra. I will be going tomorrow Agra at this moment. Means there is 10:30. Suppose there is 10:30 am. Tomorrow 10:30 am I will be going, means I will be not here at 10:30. So there is a particular time and a particular day. Even it is in future indefinite, there is particular day and time, but something is continuing and something happens. That is the difference. That is the difference. Okay, so that thing we have to discuss in this chapter. There is no more difference. You have to remember one thing. There is no more difference. Only some differences are there. That differences today we have to discuss. So, what is the difference between future indefinite or future continuous? So, just you see, as per the helping verb, you can take shall be and will be. Okay, shall be and will be. Within this helping verb, we use verb first form and ing. So this is called present participle verb. Okay, this is called present participle verb. So as we use all continuous first form of verb and ing, like the same way we also use here, but you have to keep something in your mind. The meaning of future continuous, it is little bit different than future indefinite. Okay. Tomorrow we will be studying. We shall be studying. We shall be studying. Okay. We shall be studying tomorrow by this time. By this time. Okay, why I wrote this sentence? Just I want to make a clarification of that. Today you are studying at this time. This is 10:30 or either 11 o'clock. Okay, in this time you are studying. Okay, the same time tomorrow also you will be studying. The same time tomorrow also you will be studying. You will study, that is different, and you will be studying means tomorrow in this time your study is continuing. Okay, your study is continuing. So in this case we use future continuous. But if we can complete only future or indefinite, then also we can complete our speak. But sometime we can use it, but most of the time, if it is necessary, so we can use, otherwise no. So, okay, first of all, you know that formula. The same way, every sentence means if we make indefinite, so we have positive, negative, interrogative and interrogative, negative. If we have continuous, the same way, positive, negative, interrogative and interrogative, negative. So now we will make some positive sentence. So you can open your notebook. At the same time, you can note it down. Otherwise, those who are here in the class, they can write, and those who are watching, they can take a screenshot and they can write. Okay. So, first of all, subject, then helping verb, then main verb, one ing, then object. Okay, according to this way we can make. But remember, the rule of shall or will, that is same. Why that is same? How that is same? Suppose we use shall for I and we. Okay. And will for rest of subject. This rule you should not forget. That may be shall have, that may be shall be, that may be shall have been. Okay, according to the time, that may be changed, but the rule should not be changed. Okay, that is very important, and you have to keep that in your mind. Okay, so if yet you haven't write this formula, you can write it now. There is no more time, because if I will late, minute will be late, and MB also will be high, and there will be no capacity. Okay, so as I write, you have to follow me. Those who are in the class, and those who are watching video, they can make snapshot and they can write. Okay. Okay, so I will write some sentences, just you have to see here. The same sentence I will make negative, and the same sentence I will make interrogative, at the same time interrogative, negative. I shall be helping him. I shall be helping him. I shall be helping him. You will be sleeping at night. You will be sleeping at night. You will be sleeping at night. है ना? we shall be reaching to our home at 12:30 p.m. At 12:30 p.m. Okay, at 12:30 p.m. Now you are studying. I think 11:30 you will have leave. Then you will be reaching 12:30 p.m. Okay. Just you have to catch that in your mind. है ना? So let's come negative. Negative. First of all, formula. Subject plus shall or will not then be. There is separation. Shall be or will be. When we put not, we have to separate them. In between we use here not. Okay. Like the same way, subject plus shall or will. Okay, then not. But when we write especially indefinite, then shall be or will be, that should be together. But when we make continuous, future continuous, shall be will be divided, and in between we place not. That's very important. You should not write there shall be not. If you write like this, it is wrong. If you write this, it is wrong. Okay. If you write like this, it will be wrong. But what you do, you have to take it here. Okay. So I will make some other sentences for you. Okay. So I will make some other sentences for you. Just you have to write. You will be. The student will be playing the match. The student will not be playing will not be playing by this evening. That means this evening is future time. Why? Now it is 10 o'clock. If now it is 10 o'clock, so it is there are 6 hours or 7 hours to be evening. Okay, that is why this evening is future time. The students will not be playing. The students will not be playing. Okay, by this evening. Understood? By this evening means this evening means today evening. Now it is morning and there will be evening time. Okay. So this is negative. That means they will play morning. If there is not, that may be that incident will be happening in a further. Okay, next sentence. When I speak, you have to write the sentence. If you have doubt any spelling, then only you can see the board. Otherwise, when I speak, I am writing with speaking now. When I speak, at the same time you also write. So now negative completed, we have to write interrogative. We have to write interrogative. Interrogative. So how we will write interrogative? Will Sita be dancing? Will Sita be dancing? Remember, when we make negative, okay, when we make negative, then also we have separated, and in between we put not. But when there is questioning sentence or interrogative sentence, you may see that helping verb shall or be or will be. In between we have to put subject. In between we have to put subject. See, this is subject. This is helping verb, and this is subject, and this is be, and now there is verb ing. Now there is verb and ing. Understood it? How you don't keep will be Sita. You don't write will be Sita dancing. If you write like this, okay, it will be wrong. If you write like this, if you make any sentence like this, it will be wrong. Understood? Huh? Okay. So you have to make interrogative sentence like this way. First you put helping verb, then also you put subject, and also you put be, and also you put the verb, then after whatever that may be object, double object, or whatever may be there. Okay, I will make you another sentence. I will make for you another sentence. Will he be learning? Will he be learning? Hey. Will he be learning? Huh? Will he be learning his lesson? His lesson. His okay. Okay, when you want to make a negative, interrogative negative, how you can change? If you yet didn't write, just you can write. Okay. Yet if you didn't write, you can write. Huh? This is last sentence, interrogative negative. I will write 2 sentences and interrogative negative. Interrogative negative. Okay. 2 sentences I will write for you. Will Sita not be weeping? Will Sita not be weeping? Now you can see the difference. Helping verb will and after subject, then not, then be. When there is interrogative negative, the be will come 4th place. Be will come 4th place. First place, helping verb. Second place, verb, subject, then negative, then be. Then after, verb and complement. Another sentence I will write. Shall we not be making the, shall we not be making shall we not be making noise? Okay, and this is question mark. Okay, so in this way we have completed this. Okay.